Is speeding towards a cliff edge. Stocks are down, inflation is up, and investors are moody. Everyone is wondering the same thing. Are we heading into a recession?
Job openings that are actually falling here.
Investors' concerns that the global economy could fall into recession as the Fed and other central banks raise interest rates in an effort to stop inflation.
Oh, means hiring has gone very
very low actually.
Okay, actually, by seeing the present market condition, right, many companies are hiring very less. So
Yes.
few months back, this was not the case. Few months back, if
Yes.
I talk about March and April, the companies were hiring like anything. But now
Yeah.
from the August or by the impact of the war or recession, you can see the hiring has gone slow down. So
Very slow.
so is there any impact you are seeing in your college too?
Yeah, very much actually. So, not talking about Cognizant, as Capgemini and Accenture has to hire our college for actually, Accenture has to hire our college for 6.5. They used to hire on last year 45 members actually from our college, only for 6.5. So, this year, what happened is only 2 members they have hired for 6.5, remaining all for 4 lakhs. So, that's the biggest.
That's the difference. Last year,
Yeah.
how many candidates they
Fort-
hired?
45.
45.
Exactly 45. Yeah.
Oh my God. And this year only 2.
2. Yeah, like not talking about this trend, the Accenture, whoever attended the Accenture is like 230 members. Out of 230, 180 were qualified for at least for 4 lakhs.
Mhm.
But now, for out of 250 this year, only 49 members were selected.
Oh, means hiring has gone very.
Yeah, very low actually.
Oh my God. Then in that case, you are really lucky, or it's not your luck,
Yeah.
but it's your hard work because you are already
Yes,
good in data
actually.
structure. So
Yes.
definitely it's your hard work that you catch the, things very early. That you are saying 30 companies has already visited your college and
Yeah, actually, our logo is like CMR is like think CMR, think placements.
oh.
Yeah.
But the placement seems not abhi tak 100% it's not there, right? It's
Yeah, no, but this year that was very low actually.
yeah. So impact can be seen in the colleges as well. And
Yeah.
what about your senior? Did you heard anything like the seniors who got placed last year? Means what is
Yeah.
the present situation for them?
Present situation is like they were not actually going to their offices. Like they are actually that offices was not actually given a date for them actually to join. So that is the case for Accenture. I can say that till now they have not joined in their company actually due to this recession. So I can say that Accenture was not taking our students of 2022 passed out actually. So how can they take from our batch like from 2023?
Correct.
By seeing the present market condition and recession prediction, all we can assume that hiring will be slowed down. Some of the companies like Google have already freezed their hiring. So we can expect that there will be tough competition. So those who are watching from 2024 batch, guys, study hard. The competition is going to be tough because seats will be limited. So basically, this is the hard time for all of us. The more who is going to suffer is armed public. My only suggestion to the freshers who lost their job or who are waiting for the offer letter would be, first thing, make sure if you are applying for any company, suppose if the company is startup, then make sure you are not putting yourself at high risk. Check out the background of the startup. If the startup is fully relying on the investors, then you are at the high risk. Better secure your job with those companies who are mostly not relying on the investors, because present market condition is extremely worst. Don't wait for DOG. Keep upgrading your skills until the day you start your first job. Time is hard for all of us, but remember, time changes.
107 days, they're calling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer.